Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view your block list on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to check the list of people you've blocked on Instagram, all from your desktop. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Instagram feed. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll notice an option called More. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with additional settings. In this drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will bring you to the settings page where you can manage all aspects of your Instagram account. Next, scroll down the settings page until you find the section labeled Blocked Accounts or just Blocked. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a list of everyone you've blocked on Instagram. And there you go. You'll now be able to see all the accounts you've blocked on Instagram, right from your PC. From this list, you can choose to unblock anyone if you'd like, or simply keep track of who's currently blocked. That's it. You've successfully viewed your block list on Instagram using your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Instagram experience.